agents to learn a lot of new things and how to sell future cruises and just learn a ton of things today.
Excited. I have never sold a Celebrity, so I'm very excited to get on the ship today. I hope to learn a lot. I've never sailed with a Celebrity, and I'm excited to learn as much as I can.
I'm looking forward to exploring a Celebrity ship. I've never been on one, and I'm looking forward to learning a lot.
It was just really nice, and the design was sleek. Good food, great service, just like an all-around good experience.
Thank you so